I waterproofed this week and a half ago, nearly 2 weeks ago. I'm back here now to lay the tiles and finish it. So I start with my floor and then I zap off up doing the walls. It's all matched lining, so there's a 6x3 white tile there, they are my walls. I'm using a 6x6 on the floor. I always do my shower floor like this, that it slopes down. I never go from wall to the aluminium in one length and then slope it straight down. No. To me that looks like shit. It looks unprofessional. When it's shaped nicely going into the strip drain, it then looks like a professional job. It doesn't take too much longer. I've had a comment saying that, oh, it takes too long and all that sort of thing. Well, if you're working for peanuts, it would matter, I suppose, if it took too long. So I just cut it with my grinder. I'm teaching DIYs and tilers, but DIYs don't have a big water saw and that sort of thing, so most of the time they've just got a grinder. You don't go out and buy a fancy water saw to cut your tiles when you're only doing one bathroom for yourself. That gives me a nice straight edge. Sorry, all you health and safety nuts. No, I'm not wearing a hazmat suit like you'd want me to wear. Goggles and muffs and gloves and long sleeves and all that sort of carry on. No. Look out for your fingers, Crusoe. All you safety people, if you're not capable, well then it might pay to get your wife to do it. So we're like that. like that. Right, I'll cut that other side, buff them off just like I've done, lay them. When I've done those ones, I'll come back to you. This is Chris O. See this? That's for poking the subscribe button. Sorry about the flickering, but that's the only window of light. I need the lights on so I can see. A little bit of flicker in the video. Sorry about that, people. I can't help it. See ya. Unless I walk around with an umbrella and a light behind it. See you soon. The side now of the shower. DIYs, always cut each end, otherwise if you're cutting through and you haven't cut right through there and you're cutting, snap! You just do a little undercut. So there's nothing getting in the way. Nothing getting in the way when you put them together. Give your edges a bit of a hoopla, and then it's not sharp under your feet when you're showering. Make it nice to the touch, and then you don't cut your feet, your knees or your butt. Say no more. Okay people, this is Chris O. Hey everyone, it's Chris O. I'm just laying this shower floor now. Slap some poop down. I'm using a 15mm trowel. I usually use a 15mm trowel on the floor and a 12 on the walls. DIYs, if you're not sure what size trowel to use. If you just have a 15, use a 15 on the walls as well. I don't recommend a 12 on the floor, but I used to. I used to use a 12 for everything. Right, that one is the back. Or is it the front? Oh, I've forgotten. No, that's all the front there, I think. Gently lay it in position. Alright, laid it. It's got to be that one. Or is it? Yes. I need a bucket of water. Because I hate glue on my hands. Sponge and water. Throw in a clip. Nice. even though it's on an angle, these don't work on an angle, but it still holds the tile in place. While you're doing your thing. Alright people, I'll zap that one in and then I can do the end pieces and we're laughing. Then I'll cut those end pieces, pop them in, and then it's just straight lay out the door. I'll come back to you shortly.